To be able to retrieve deleted contacts without backup on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, make sure that the trace option on your Contacts app is on. To do so, open Contacts app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left. And then tap setting icon. Now tap the gray on offset next to trace until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see the result, tap the back key to go back to your contact list. Delete a contact by long tapping the required contact. Tap delete icon and then tap move to trace to continue deleting. When the trace option is on, your phone will keep deleted contacts in the trace for 30 days before they will be permanently deleted. During that time, you can restore a contact from the trace back to your contact list. To do so, tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left and then tap trace. Tap the required contact you like to restore and then tap restore to restore the selected contact back to your contact list. Given to the function, you can enable the trace option on the contact apps, so you can have an option to retrieve deleted contacts from the trace back to your contact list for 30 days. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.